This is a crumpet. And I'm gonna put it in this toaster oven. I'm gonna turn it on for, I want it nice and dark. Okay, now this, I bought these at Trader Joe's. Now, what's important to me is that there's no sugar. There's no sugar. To me, and that's important. It's not a sweet thing. I mean, you can put something sweet on it when it's done toasting. But it's not sweet. And I forgot, I'm gonna put this timer on. Alright, so get an idea of how long. So it took me about a minute to turn on this, so just add a minute to that time. There it is toasting. So it's been about 2 minutes, even though it says 1 minute, because it took me a minute to turn the timer on. Heat or toast till crunchy and golden brown. It's not golden brown yet. It's starting to get brown. Now this was in the refrigerator, so it was kind of cold when I put it in the toaster. If it was room temperature, it wouldn't take as long to toast. It wouldn't be cold. Now this was in the freezer. This thing. So it's been like 5.5 minutes. It's a timer. Nice winter day. Well, there it is. This is a Black & Decker toaster. There she is. It looks darker in real life than it does here, in my opinion. Back here. There she is. Now you can put butter or jelly, but I'm going to eat it plain. Take a bite out of it plain. It's good plain. Not, well,